Greetings to everyone from R.N. Nair and Pratik Raut of class 9th APJ School, Panchil Park, New Delhi. This is our presentation on the topic Bodh Gaya, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Hope you will like it. Bodh Gaya is a religious site in Bihar. It is famous because of the fact that Lord Buddha attained enlightenment here. Here is the history of Bodh Gaya. This slide shows the uniqueness of Bodh Gaya. Here comes the pride and one of the holiest sites of Buddhism, Mahabodhi Temple.
Greetings to one and all present here. I, Pratik Rao, would take you through the rest of the journey. Bodhi tree, the navel of the earth. The present Bodhi tree is probably the fifth succession of the original tree under which the Buddha had attained enlightenment. Vajrasana, the seat of stability, is a stone platform on which the Buddha is supposed to have sat in meditation, gazing east under the Bodhi tree. It is believed that the Buddha spent 1 week in Animesh Lochan Chaitya, looking towards the great Bodhi tree out of gratitude without twinkling his eyes. Beliefs about the Bodhi tree. According to Buddhist mythology, if no Bodhi tree grows at the site, the ground around the tree is devoid of all plants for a distance of one royal karisa. Through the ground around the Bodhi tree, no being, not even an elephant, can travel. Another Buddhist tradition claims that when the world is destroyed at the end of a kalpa, the Bodhimanda is the last spot to disappear and will be the first to appear when the world emerges into existence again. According to legend, in the case of Gautam Buddha, a Bodhi tree sprang up on the day he was born. reasons why Bodh Gaya is chosen as UNESCO's World Heritage Site. It is chosen as UNESCO's World Heritage Site because of its great importance in Buddhism and unawareness of its presence for such a long period of time. From the white grounds to the main shrine of the deity, painted in gold, from the Bodhi tree to the pond adjoining the temple, to the meditation garden flanked by fountains and bells, seeking divine bliss under one roof at one place. Importance of Bodh Gaya in cultural history of India. Buddhism greatly influenced the Indian religion. It gave Indian people a simple, popular religion. It rejected ritualism, sacrifices, and dominance of priestly class. It has also left its permanent mark on Indian religious thoughts. Its contribution to the art and architecture of India was notable. It also promoted education through residential universities like those at Takshila, Nalanda, and Vikramasila. The greatest contribution of Buddhism was the establishment of simple religion which could be easily understood and followed by common people. In this religion, rites, rituals, yajnas, and castes had no place. At last, I would like to end the presentation with a quote. Faith and prayer both are invisible, but they make impossible things possible. Buddham Sharanam Gacchami. Thank you.